very well, thank you. So far, I have had a productive morning. This morning, I had time to jogging first, then started getting ready to go to the office. Oh yeah, I can easily find your office because the access road is easy and the office building is very grand. So yes, everything is fine. And how about you, ma'am?
Oh, I am also doing well.
I have been looking forward to this interview for a long time. So I'm happy to finally be here.
Yes, I understand it.
Oh yeah, I saw on your LinkedIn profile that you are an alumnus of Bandung State Polytechnic, right?
Oh yes, I studied there, majoring in business administration.
Same with me. I'm also from Bandung State Polytechnic.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I majored in accounting.
Oh, that's great. Okay, are you ready for this interview?
Yes, I'm so ready, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Sophia Mubaroka. I'm the first child of 2 siblings. I come from Ciamis and I'm currently studying at the Bandung State Polytechnic majoring in accounting. I participated in an internship at the Cimahi City Inspectorate for 1 month in the financial department. There, I learned about how to make financial reports, use the SIPD application, and etc. I have also conducted research about the influence of the government's internal control system on the quality of financial reports in Cimahi. In this research, what I did was survey, interview, compiling data, processing data with statistics, and review various theories that were relevant to my research. I'm very interested in anything related to accounting or finance. Therefore, I want to work in a field that I like. When I have free time, I usually work out because by workout, my body and my mind become fresh again.
Oh yeah, very interesting. The next, what are your strengths?
My strengths are independence and self-confidence. I really believe that whatever I do will definitely give me the best result. Even when I do research, I interview many people and explain various phenomena in front of them confidently. I'm also very independent. I'm used to doing various activities myself, such as living in boarding house, tidying up my room, completing college assignment, and conducting research survey. Many people say that I'm very brave if I go out alone. In fact, they want to be like me so they can be brave and confident when going out alone.
Oh, you are very confident apparently. Then what are your weaknesses?
I think my weakness is being too perfectionist. I often spend a lot of time correcting and perfecting the assignments I'm working on, even though the assignments have already been completed. I will never be calm if the task I do is not perfect. Even during exams, I often collect the last answer because I always want to tidy up my writing, lines, picture, and etc. so that they look perfect, and I realize that this will take up a lot of time. In the future, I will learn to manage my team better without making my work worse. I will learn to do things quickly and precisely.
Yeah, I understand. Then where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
5 years from now, I think I want to be a civil servant. I know it's not easy to become a civil servant, but I will try and learn from now on to get maximum result later. Becoming a civil servant is something I have wanted for a long time. I want to have a guaranteed salary and benefits. Apart from that, I will learn many things and meet many people if I become a civil servant. In my opinion, being a civil servant is something that is challenging.
Civil servant. And then what do you know about our company?
Your company is very well known for its reputation and service to customers. In fact, who doesn't know your company? Several of my families also use the service of your company. A state-owned company that already has many customers and appreciation for the performance and service it provides. One of the awards that I know about is that your company is won the International Award for Best Private Bank for Indonesian Asian WIs in Hong Kong in 2023. And of course, this is also what made me interested in joining your company.
How do you know about this award?
I saw it from TikTok.
Oh yeah, I see. Next, how well do you handle change?
Of course, I can handle change. When I was an intern at the inspectorate, I was not always given tasks related to financing. Several times, I was given tasks that were different from my field, such as scanning documents, inputting incoming and outgoing mail, and etc. But I can handle the task well. So, of course, I'm very flexible and also hardworking. I managed to do it with our team's effort, and the results were quite good. Even when I do research, some of my analysis research need to be revised and changed by my lecturer. But I can complete them well and on time.
How well do you work under pressure?
Of course, working under pressure or without pressure is the same for me. In fact, in my opinion, almost all jobs are under pressure because there is a target to be achieved. When I was carrying out my internship at the inspectorate, at around 4 p.m., when the clock saw it was time to go home, suddenly we were called to complete a job that was sudden and had to be completed right then and there. Several employees who were experts in that field had left early and we had to replace them. Some employees were very stressed, they panicked and didn't know what to do. But then I made sure they were calm. We prioritized our work and in fact, in a very organized manner, we completed this project. Of course, we also worked late into the night, but it really helped to get the project done on time. So I think working under pressure is not too bad for me.
Good job, Sophia. Then how do you handle important decisions?
Handling decisions is considered a bit difficult, but I'm confident that I can do it because of my experience. I have dealt with important decisions in my life. I had rejected one of the universities in East Java because I felt the college was too far from where I live. But in the end, I took part in the written selection at Bandung University. This decision is what allowed me to study at the Bandung State Polytechnic to this day, even though I had to sacrifice other universities. Of course, in handling these decisions, I have considered the pros and cons. I have also asked for advice from several parties concerned, and I'm sure this will help me in making a decision. I will also look at the consequences of the decisions, so definitely I can move forward and make the right decision.
Okay, thank you. I have saved all your answers. And I think this interview session is over. First of all, is there anything you want to ask?
Oh yes, I want to ask about the continuation of this interview test. What is the next stage that will be passed after the interview test?
Okay, so applicants who have passed this interview will then take part in the psychological test stage, where applicants will answer several questions related to personality. Then after that, we will provide further information regarding the next stages.
Okay ma'am, thank you for the explanation. I hope I can follow all this stage well.
You're welcome. There are more?
It's clear enough ma'am.
Okay, because it's clear enough, so let's end the interview session this time. Thank you and success always.
Thank you ma'am.